Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Taiye Brown. I'm doing a slightly different video today, but one that I'm super duper excited about. It's actually one that I used to binge on well before I started content creating, which is a what's in my bag video, and I'm going to be putting my own little spin on it by doing a what's in my bag handbag essentials, but also a little review some of you have been asking, and also some summer favourite. So the handbag in question that I'll be doing my what's in my bag is my beautiful Aspinal of London Lottie bag. This is in the large size and it's the navy blue with gold hardware. I did unbox this bag, I think it must be about a year ago now. I'll put up the link in the iCards and down in the description box. You can have a watch. I know a lot of you loved that video. It was unboxing a few items from Aspinal. So let's get on with what is in my bag. Let's start with the bag. This is the Aspinal of London Lottie bag. It's in the large size. It's got the little slip pocket there at the back. That's one of the features that I really liked about this bag, was that magnetic closure, because it just keeps things a little bit more secure. I love the gold hardware. This is one of the bags that I first ventured into gold hardware. I've always been a silver and white gold kind of girl, and I've slowly but surely moved into gold hardware on my bags, gold jewelry, as you can see everywhere. It's in that quilted leather. It's really soft, yet feels quite durable, easy to wipe if you have any spills or anything like that. And it's just got that, is it a postman lock? You've got the little Aspinal inscription there, and I'll show you what is in my bag. First thing I've got is my card holder. This is my Cedron card holder in the black hardware. I did do an unboxing of this. I think I did an unboxing also on Reels. Then I have got my hand cream. This is definitely one of my handbag essentials, and it is actually one of my summer favorites, is the Chanel hand cream, and this is in texture riche. For extra dry skin, I basically have really dry skin, so I tend to go for the texture riche rather than the regular one. Then I have got my go-to lipstick. This is actually what I've got on at the moment. This is the CYO Too Clever by Half. This is beautiful. I'm just going to come up close so you can see. The lighting is definitely darker than normal. I'm not quite sure why, but hopefully you can get a sense of the true colour. I do have another lipstick because I am a bit of a hoarder. I like to have options. So I have actually also got the Saint Laurent lipstick. This is one of their red ranges. It's the Rouge Pour Couture, I think. And this is colour 82. I thought there was a name to it, but it just says colour 82. It is slightly more of an orangey red than I think actually suits me. So it's not one that I use too often. But like I said, I do like to have options. Deodorant. I love these impulse ones. They just have a nice fragrance to them. My favorite is definitely the True Love, so I keep that in there. But I do actually keep an actual body fragrance as well. This is the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb. It's not one that I've used a lot because I do have the main fragrance. This is just to keep in my handbag if I need any top-ups, then, you know. I have also got a compact. This is my Chanel compact. You need a mirror. Everyone needs a little mirror, so why not make it a slightly bougie one? And it's just a double-sided compact. So that's that. And I tried to keep it in its case just to avoid any scratches. I have actually been thinking about doing a video on luxury purchases under £100. If that's something you think you would like, do let me know. I have a few ideas of some luxury gifts under £100, whether it's for yourself, whether it's for a loved one or a friend. So let me know if that's something you would like, because it's quite nice to think about entry points for affordable luxury. And a little compact is just one way to have that little luxury touch every day. Then I've got my Aspinal of London coin purse. The Aspinal is a great brand for beautiful leather, beautiful quality, great gifts as well. This was actually a gift from my twin sister. Then I've got my face mask. This is from Dream Silk, and actually normally in here is my scrunchie if I'm not wearing it, which actually I've got on at the moment. I'll just turn around so you can see. I've got a couple of bits from Dream Silk. I'll leave their details in the description box. They do the most beautiful mulberry silk items. I've got a thicker scrunchie. I'll put up a picture because I took some pictures of that. It's so beautiful. And also a silk pillowcase. So they're from Dream Silk. I've got my sunglasses. These are my most worn sunnies. They are the Zara cat eye sunglasses, and they are the perfect dupe for the Celine sunglasses. I have got some painkillers because I am a terrible sufferer of headaches and I do not go anywhere without my painkillers, so I've got those there. I have got some gum, although I have actually been slowly weaning myself off chewing gum. but I have got some gum veg strawberry flavour. And also in strawberry flavour is my hand gel, which I carry around with me everywhere. This is strawberry and raspberry. It smells so good. This is from Superdrug. And last but not least is my SPF. This is the La Roche-Posay Anthelios SPF. This is 50 plus. I love this. If you are dark skinned, then this is a great one to think about because it doesn't leave any white residues. You can see it's almost run out. I'm literally just always pumping away and rubbing on my face. Most days I haven't actually got makeup on, so I take it in my bag and I'm using it all the time and just topping up. So that is it for what is in my handbag. I'll show you the inside of the bag. I do still have a decent amount of space. So actually this would be a great work bag as well. I haven't been using it as a work bag. A lot of you know I've had a baby. She's 4 months now. But if you are just going to the office and you don't have to carry too much, it would make a fantastic work bag. So I highly would recommend this Aspinal of London Lottie bag. It does come in a smaller size and it comes in a ton of colours as well. I personally love navy blue. For me, navy blue is one of the ultimate neutral colours. In the summer, when I'm wearing just a simple white dress, this is just the perfect colour to offset that. But also now in the autumn, going into the autumn, I will opt for something like navy blue. So rather than black trousers and a white shirt, I'll often wear navy blue tailored trousers and a white shirt. And then I'll pair that with this navy bag. So yes, a bag that I truly recommend. And I think what I'm going to do is just move on to my summer favorites, the items I've been loving for the summer. I've already talked about a few things like the Chanel hand cream. That is definitely one of my summer favorites. The sunglasses, the Zara sunglasses, just one that I wear all the time. The SPF for my face by La Roche-Posay, the best SPF ever. Other items though that are not necessarily in my handbag, but I just wanted to touch on. The first is the Chanel nail polish. This is in the Rouge Essential. That's the color. It's called the Rouge Essential. I have actually started taking it to the nail shop and asking them to just pop this on because it's just the perfect shade. So this is one of my summer essentials. I wore this a lot in the summer and I love it. Highly recommend it. Another skincare or beauty favorite is the Ordinary Buffet. I've almost run out. I think I mentioned in my Ordinary video a few months ago about the hyaluronic acid just for adding moisture and hydration to your skin. I personally found that that wasn't enough hydration and a patient of mine actually recommended the Buffet. I don't know what exactly is in here, but for me personally who has super dry skin, this is, yeah, chef's kiss. Beautiful. Next up is my serum. This is my vitamin C serum and it's the Super Facialist Vitamin C Brightening Glow Boost Skin Serum. What a mouthful. I absolutely love this. This is a great one for applying onto your face. Even if you're not going to use any makeup, definitely recommend that one. Then when it comes to face creams, one of the face creams that I absolutely love is the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Day Cream. This actually has SPF 30 in it, which is great. In the summer, I just wanted something a little lighter and it's got that perfect combination of being quite light on the skin, but actually super hydrating. Highly recommend this. I know the price point is a little bit high, but it is absolutely worth every penny. So I really had to give this a little shout out. Now, when it comes to fashion, I would say that pretty much everything from my H&M haul. If you haven't seen my H&M haul, which is my H&M capsule summer wardrobe, everything in there would be a summer favorite for sure, but I couldn't bring them all. So if you haven't seen that, go watch that video. The linen trousers, the linen tops, the white linen shirts, the dresses, they are all so beautiful. So if I could pick them all, I would. But I would say top of that list would be two things. One is my basket bag, which I have worn so much. I actually couldn't find it when I was ready to film this video. I think it must be downstairs because we always have a beach bag ready packed with a mat and a few other things because we live by the beach. So if we want to pop out, then it's the bag I use a lot. So it's definitely my most worn. I'll put up a picture of that. And the other are these shoes. I have to say I haven't worn these quite as much as I've used the beach bag, but it is definitely one of my favorites. It's great with like knit dresses, like the H&M brown knit dress. It's great with white dresses. It's beautiful with trousers. It's just the perfect shoe. And, you know, with my skin tone, I feel like it's the perfect nude color as well. So my honorary mention for summer essentials or summer favorites has got to be my Coach bag. Like I said, Coach is having a revival. The tabby bag, the soft tabby bag, has been everywhere, but I think just generally Coach itself has just been absolutely killing it. And this is the power of social media. You see one or two people with the Coach brand and suddenly everybody is going crazy for it. But like I said, this is a bag that I actually purchased over a year and a half ago now. I don't think it's quite 2 years, but it's just a beautiful bag. I think I featured this in my Selfridges haul, perhaps. I will link that up in the iCards and down in the description box. And this is the Parker top handle bag. The bag itself is not too big, so when you do wear it crossbody, it still sits nicely. It's got the beautiful C Coach there. You can see some marks there, definitely signs of wear. It's got the back pocket there, which only I use often for maybe my face mask. And then you've got the turn lock key, but it's such a beautiful bag. I love that burgundy mauvey lining color. This has got the brushed gold hardware, so it's a little bit more of a muted gold. If you're not a big fan of the super bright gold, this is a brighter gold on the Aspinal bag. I don't know if you can see the difference there. It does wear well, but I would say be mindful of the fact that it is more of a softer, it's not like a caviar leather, so my nails do scratch quite a bit when I'm opening, which is why you can see that there are some marks all along there. But I mean, I don't care. It's a well used, well loved bag. So my darlings, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching my what's in my bag and also just what my summer favorites have been and my handbag essentials. If this is your first time here, I would really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button. It really helps a small channel like mine to just grow and let YouTube know that some people do enjoy my videos. I've just filmed a how to style a white blazer 10 ways. You'll probably see both handbags in that video and the shoes as well, because I am loving all of those pieces. So I will link that as well for you. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Taiye Brown and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.